Hello, Katie here from Katie's World. I'm here to share with you another paper piecing video, and this is the final one for this particular page kit. This is for the Trick or Treat Mickey and Minnie page kit number 94, and this will be the title. So come back to see the final product when the whole page is done. So I hope you enjoy this video. Please click the like button if you do enjoy it. I really appreciate it, and I welcome any comments, questions, suggestions, anything. Just please keep it kind. And thank you so much, and I hope you enjoy. So I always like to start with the large base piece, and we're going to be using my favorite glue, the Art Glitter brand Designer Dries Clear. And for large pieces like this, and pretty much all size pieces, but I try to keep about 1/8 of an inch away from the edge just to avoid too much excess glue oozing out. And the glue does dry fairly quickly, so you need to work kind of fast here. Doesn't have to be perfect, just enough to hold it in place. And we just want to center it. Have a nice even black border all the way around. Okay. I realize there's quite a few pieces that are off camera here, so I just want to make sure to keep this on camera so you can see. So I like to work from the outside in because there isn't really any guidelines for the middle pieces. So working on the outside is what the outside edges, just like any regular jigsaw puzzle. That's a good place to start. Now I'm going to look at this one because there's an exact or more defined edging around here. So it looks like it's going to be about there. So I'm going to go ahead and lay that one down. And I'm just squeezing just gently, just a little bit of glue. Don't want too much. Okay. Just try to keep an even border here. Okay, and we've got a little bat that goes right here. Okay, that looks good. So I'm going to go ahead and add some glue to him. This is going to go here, but I think I'm going to work on the candy. You know what? Let's work on the candies because we got 3 candies. Actually, I've got a couple of candy corn too. Get these on camera here. All right, let's go ahead and work on these. So the white circles, the white pieces, they're the same shapes. So it doesn't matter which one you grab. So I'm just gonna, let's do the circles first. Just get those right in the center there. And one more. textured. Okay, this is textured paper, so I know the glue goes on the smooth side. It's very delicate. It's kind of bending on me now. Okay. So, let's see. Oh, I guess I should have looked at the lines. Oh, I don't know if it matters. I'm going to leave it. I don't want to mess it up. The lines as in the texture of it, but you know what? In the grand scheme of things, I don't think it really matters. So I'm not going to worry too much about that. Don't those look adorable? Now I did pick up, I believe I picked up the title and the candies and the stars from some images from Miss Kate Cuttables. She has, oh, I just love her design. She has beautiful cut files. And then she had a regular bat on one of her titles, and then I just swapped in the mouse ears and then just made my own little collage with the title. So I kind of changed it up a little bit, but anyway, I hope you like it. Okay, let's see. Let's do the candy corn. I don't know if I'm doing it backwards or not. All right, let's see. I'll try it this way. I wonder if that's the way it's supposed to be. I think I did it wrong. I think I did this one wrong. Uh-oh. I think it's too late. I already messed it up. Yeah, I think it's supposed to go like that, so it's more straight. Well, that's a bummer. I'm just going to go stick it down anyway. And if I really hate it, I can go cut another one later. So I should have checked it first. So, FYI, it does make a difference on which direction this is going. I hope I have the white right side up. I don't know if that matters either. Again, I should have checked first. I think it'll be okay. My candy corn's a little scuffed up over here. I'm hoping it'll look better once the glue dries, but I don't know. I don't know. the candy corns are not symmetrical. Well, I don't think, or maybe they are. I don't know. But it does make a difference. Yeah, see? So just keep that in mind when you're sticking them down. Okay, now on this one, this goes down first because this is actually gonna be underneath the candy and the bat. So let's go ahead and glue this one down next. Where'd it go? Okay, like this. Now the candy. Yeah. All right, let's go ahead and glue that down. Okay, so out of the words trick or treat, trick is the only one that actually has a defining area. Go ahead and glue that down. Remember, the glue dries fairly quickly, so try to be quick. Okay. I'm going to start with the T right here, make sure it's centered. I'm looking around the edges here. Okay, I'm going to lay it down. And I know the C is just slightly below the yellow. Not gonna help, so definitely have your picture out in front of you, that helps. Okay. Oh, I forgot to get these candies down, didn't I? Let's go ahead and glue those down. Okay, so treat is next because or overlaps just slightly. And it's gonna go about, oh, you know what, the stars, that might help getting the stars in there. These are kind of tiny. So I don't know if they're exactly symmetrical, but I'm just gonna stick them in. Hope for the best. Okay, you're gonna need one purple one. Make sure you put glue on the smooth side. There we go. And an orange one. Now it's really small. Tweezers would be helpful here. All right, that looks good. Now let's do the other side. We have the green star. Okay, then let's do the purple one. You can kind of see where it goes. Kind of like follows this outer line here. Right along there. Okay, and now the orange one. Like, this one is gonna sit right over here. Ah, come on. Well, that'll work. Okay. I'm just gonna go ahead and get this word down. I apologize if I got a little off camera there. Okay, let's see. I think it's about here. And the E is just slightly away from the yellow. And this is down about there. Okay, that looks good. I'm patting instead of rubbing because I don't want it to move. And the final piece. Okay, it's gonna go right there. Exactly. Let's see if we can get it on there where we want it. This is centered there. This overlaps slightly. And this, just like that. I think that looks great. That looks just beautiful. And we're done. What do you think? Okay, let me give you a closer look. Well, thank you so much for watching. Please click that like button and subscribe and click the bell for notifications if you'd like to be notified every time I release a new video. Please let me know if you'd like to see more videos like this. And once again, thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.